thought the woman and child might have really perished. He gave up the search. Once they left, the man took the child to a friend's house. They changed their clothes. The friend's father, a doctor, examined the woman's hand. The doctor told her that there were no painkillers available, but the woman said she had gotten used to it. She couldn't feel any pain in her hand. The man was curious. What had she gone through to be so strong? After being pressed, the woman finally spoke. She was the rich man's wife. 5 years ago, her mother sold her to the rich man for 10 yuan. She thought she would live a life of luxury, but it was a nightmare. The rich man beat her every day. She couldn't fight back. She could only silently endure it. The child had witnessed it all. The mother and son clung to each other. One night, she ran away with the child. That's why the rich man had been trying to bring her back. The man felt heartbroken after hearing her story. He promised he would protect her. He assured her to feel safe. The friend's wife hung their clothes out to dry. The rich man happened to pass by and saw the clothes. It seemed like his wife and child had survived. To force his friend to reveal the wife's whereabouts, the rich man sent people to capture them. This was noticed by the man from a distance.